Welcome. In this video tutorial, we'll be going over the distance radius circles. Once you've got your locations on the map, or start with a blank map, you'll head over to your map tools on your left-hand side. You'll find distance radius circles nearing the bottom. Click it to enter it. You can choose to add a radius via individual location or groups. In this case, we're going to go over individual first. Where your center point is your starting location. You can enter any address, zip code, city, state. Just make sure that if you're entering an address, you use the full address within it. Don't click this, that finds you. You can also simply click on a location on the map, then click on the tools and click draw radius. That's going to pull that address into the starting location. Choose the size of your radius. You can choose miles or kilometers here. I'm going with miles. You can set your color and click add proximity radius to draw that radius. The radius itself has a pop-up. You can edit the radius, change the name of the radius name, the size, the color, any of that right in here. You could hide the proximity from here. You can export locations. That's going to export the information from those markers to an Excel spreadsheet. It's going to include two additional columns. One will be the name of your radius. The other will be distance to center. You can export contain geographic boundaries. That is literally exporting something like all the zip codes that fall within that radius. You can also optimize driving route, which will take the locations from within this radius and drop it into the routing tool. You can customize the metrics of your radius pop-ups either using your data, and you see I've done some of these before. So sum total is going to total up your numeric data. Average will average out that numeric data. Group count will list that data. High value will give you the high value of your numeric data. Low value, the low value of your numeric data. You also have the ability to choose what demographic census information appears in your pop-up. So you can choose whether United States or Canada. And then you can do things like add population or any other demographics of your choosing into that pop-up. Once done, simply close it. And when you click here, now we see the total population within that radius. And it's an approximation because it is a radius. And we see my sales information as well in this pop-up. You can also customize metrics from here. Either one will customize the metrics for all radius added to the map. Within the radius tool, if you do choose to add a radius by group, we'll have you choose a column from your data. I'm going to choose my salesperson column. If I then choose a particular salesperson and say I want a 25-mile radius around every single one, I can add those all at once. And you see they've all appeared here. Each radius that you add will list in your radius. This is a group. This is the individual one. You can delete them simply by clicking on the dots and then click delete radius to remove them. That's it on the radius tool. If you have any questions, of course, reach out to support. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.